The gentlelady from Michigan is recognized for 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, during the past year, the Democratic majority has passed so many bills that have done absolutely nothing to help our economy. Instead, they've raised taxes, they've exploded the deficit, and they actually have killed off jobs. And then yesterday, the national unemployment rate went up past 10%, actually to 10.2%, and no end in sight. So it is incredible that today, this House may pass a jobs-killing, tax-hiking, deficit-exploding government takeover of our health care. And one of the most disingenuous things that has been said, that if you like your current health care, that you can keep it. Well, not so fast. In my county, Macomb County, Michigan, the Chamber of Commerce just did a survey of all of their members, and they asked them that if, rather than continuing to provide good health care plans for their employees, they would instead take the 8% penalty that is included in this bill. And guess what? No surprise, the overwhelming majority said they would, of course, dump their employees out into the public plan. Mr. Speaker, we are going to have a complete government takeover of our health care system faster than you can say, "This is making me sick." Vote no.
The gentlelady from Michigan's time is